The spray wipers kit includes 2 spray wipers, 4 water pipes, clips for the wiper arm, cable ties, and connectors. First, remove the old wipers from the wiper arms. Now, install the new spray wipers by clicking them into place. Make sure they fit properly. Next, connect these 2 water pipes as shown in the video. Use the provided clips to fix the water pipe along the wiper arm so it stays in place when the wipers move. Then, guide the pipe through the hole in the wiper arm and run it toward the area under the hood. Make sure the pipe is straight and not twisted. Look for the main water connection on the bonnet and direct all the pipes toward that point. Place the water pipes neatly under the hood, keeping them away from any moving engine parts. Now, cut the main pipe to the right length and get the 2 pipes coming from the spray wipers ready. Use the connectors to join them together. Make sure everything is tight and there are no leaks. Finally, turn on the spray wipers to test if everything is working properly. Enjoy clear visibility without any streaks.